This is cabin 7197. Again, deck 7, cabin 197. This is actually our cabin. It is an inside cabin, but it's an inside promenade view cabin. And so, as you see, we have a view of what goes on down there, which is interesting. And I hear music, but not very much. So far, we can report that the cabin's quiet. I don't know how quiet it'll remain, but it's quiet. So let's start down at this end since we're down here. So you see there's a little sitting area here, which looks pretty comfortable. Let me sit on it and I'll tell you. It's a little hard, but you know, it's all right. King size bed in its configuration here. You can separate it to be two twins. When we actually first got here, it wasn't two twins. And our cabin attendant was like, man, I knew it should have been in one. So she fixed it for us. There is power and USB on the nightstands with the little lights are awesome. We're going to call this his and her closets. This side has hanging, shelves, safe, and then some drawers down there. The other side is all hanging, and there's another bar that goes here. So you can have two levels of hanging, or you can have one big tall, kind of like we have it set up. Over here across from the sofa, you've got a dresser here with 5 drawers. There's a hairdryer in one of the drawers, but more importantly, you have a mini fridge. I didn't show you, but let's not forget the TV that's at the foot of the bed, and you got some nice little places to hang things. The mirror does light up. Bada bang! All right, plenty of power in the ship, guys. This has 3 US power here at the desk, plus USB, 2 European. Let's not forget about the bathroom. A nice stand-up shower. All right, it's a toilet, a great place for someone my size. I'm 6'4". All right, so it's great for the taller fluffy. Sink area here. You got 3 shelves. There's some power up there. Yeah, nice bathroom. Not too bad. So there is an inside promenade view cabin. See you on the next one. Ciao.